Hello paper lovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for HKC Club. It's Josefine here with a new process video, and I was inspired by the mood board, mood board made by Kirsten, and I made a scrapbook layout for you today. I'm using the papers from the May kit, the Buenos Dias papers from American Crafts, designed by Hoeven Marshall. So I want to work with these colors because these colors and these papers fits perfect by the mood board. So I cut out a circle from the design paper. It's a light blue design paper that I stitched the edges with golden threads, sewing threads with my sewing machine. And for this layout, I want to make a fresh layout because fresh is on the mood board. So I'm using the colors aqua, teal aqua. Here I punched out some butterflies with metal die from C6, and I cut them from the design paper, from the Buenos Dias design papers, and some vellum, and I stitched the vellum with my golden sewing threads. So I also stitched through the middle of my aqua leaves. The leaves are from the Tim Holtz dies, and I used the teal color cardstock from the cardstock kit from the HKC Club from the May kit. So when everything is stitched with my golden threads, I'm using some white cardstock, and I place my circle in the center of my white cardstock and place my butterflies around. I cut the golden threads from the loose ends from my butterflies, and this is now we start in decorating my scrapbook page further with more die cuts and my photo, a photo of my daughter. She it was a photo from a long time ago when we were on vacation, and there her face is painted like a butterfly. So it's a very happy colored photo, and the butterfly colors are orange, pink, and red, I think. I'm using some 3D foam and put my photo on the design papers that I cut to size for behind the photo. And this is I cut out the map, land map from the design papers from the Buenos Dias. And here I'm starting with a little bit of mixed media. Put some mixed media inks from Distress Oxide Peachcock Feathers, stamping a little bit on my page. Mix it with a little bit of water and stamp several times with a clear stamp that already looks like a stain. And I made some splatters here. I'm using a piece of plastic and I do the packing technique, and I made some splatters on my layout. I placed a circle in the middle using some 3D foam and the map that I cut out from the design papers Buenos Dias. I roughed the edges a little bit and I placed them on the circle, on top of the circle. I think I want to make some globe, so something like a globe, and I placed my photo on top of the globe that I trying to make with design papers, and my aqua teal leaves that I cut out with the Tim Holtz Tim Holtz dies. I placed it under my photo, and here I placed butterflies around the photo, around the globe, and I'm a little bit struggling of my flowers, how I want to use my flowers and my leaves, but at the end they find the right spot on this scrapbook page. Here I add a banner from the Page Hoeven collection celebration on my page, and I slide some die cuts between the paper layers behind my photo. And after this video I decided to edit some more Jen Hatfield stickers, sun and butterfly on top of my globe, but that you see that on the pictures, but that I decided after this video that I had to use some more die cuts. Here I'm a little bit busy with the title of this layout, and it will be Hello Happy World. These words are from the Page Hoeven collection. And I'm splatter a little bit with my distress oxide and some white acrylic ink that I mix with a little bit water, and I splatter on my page. I like the white splatters on my page. It looks very festive, and I do that a lot. So most of the time you see on my work white splatters. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope I was able to inspire you with this layout. Here I'm using a little bit of pink acrylic ink dilution ink, what I mix with a little bit of water too, and make some splatters, some pink splatters on my layout. This pink color fits perfect by the little butterfly face of my dollar. So, and after this video I decided to stitch my layout on a piece of blue cardstock from the cardstock kit. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to go to the Facebook group and the blog for more inspiration. And of course, I wish you a crafty day, and I hope to see you next time. For now, bye bye!